Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer funds from Bybit to Binance step by step. First, open the Binance app. Go to the Assets section, then tap on Add Funds and choose the first option. Now, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. In this example, I'll choose USDT. Next, select the network and copy your Binance wallet address. After that, open the Bybit app. Go to Assets. Then tap on Withdraw and choose the first option. Paste the wallet address you copied from Binance, then make sure to select the same network. Enter the amount you want to send. Tap Withdraw, then Confirm. Finally, enter the verification code and press Confirm again. And that's it. Your transfer will be completed successfully.